Meaning of false beginner.
False beginner.
False beginner.
False beginner.
False beginner. A false beginner refers to a language learner who appears to be a beginner, but has had some prior exposure to the language. Despite their initial appearance of being a beginner, they often possess a limited level of proficiency. False beginners have a tendency to progress more rapidly than true beginners due to their prior exposure to the language, but may still encounter difficulties. As such, educators must assess a student's prior knowledge to ensure that they are placed in the appropriate level of instruction to maximize their learning outcomes.